Hi there, let's take a look at Cardano. We'll cover the weekly Wyckoff structure, check out the short-term trend, so you know whether there's an opportunity for a bounce. From a Wyckoff perspective, Cardano is currently in the selling climax stage of the accumulation cycle. I also call this the panic over period. Usually, after that series of price drop, the price starts to stabilize, volume starts to come down, but the reason that we see volume, getting higher than average compared to the previous months is that in previous session I mentioned it seems to be brewing through the automatic rally stage, but it's not an easy rally as far as we can see because we have consecutive climbing price and higher than average volume. But it is not as obvious as in the previous cycles. This one in 2023. And then back in here, you see this little peak over here. So I guess it is something similar to 2018, 2019. So as we can see, it drops to this level. It climbed for a moment, went sideways before the automatic rally actually hit. All right. So remember this, climb sideways, the actual rally. So fast forward back to where we are now. Okay, it starts to climb, but then sideways along this light blue key level of 16 cents 90. So it looks more similar to the 2018 cycle than the 2023. Now, in terms of volume, if it stays above average compared to end of 2025 to the beginning of this year, the first half of this year, then this is, I would say, a relatively positive sign because it's not that silent. Okay, it means people are coming back in, returning to active mode again. Okay, you can imagine two scenarios, right? One is, there's nobody trading, it's that silence, the chart is flat. The other is we see this kind of volatility, we see volume comes up. That means there are people there, okay? It's not all zombies, right? Okay, so that's how I look at these kind of situation. Even though it is a bear market, it's better to have some kind of activities than none. So remember, these are education content only, not financial advice. The most important weekly support level is this light blue key level of 16 cents 90, and the major resistance level remains the 0.223. All right, the blue key level. Now, the short-term trend, it is still within the rising channel. Well, we have been covering this for many weeks already. Ever since beginning of June, it has entered this channel. And currently, after almost testing the channel ceiling, again, I'll cover this in a second, it has developed into this trend just in the past 7 days. Finding support at this 18 cents 30, this yellow dash line, this support level. Okay, we talked about this level, where it comes from, okay? The important point here is that it broke the uptrend support, so we can take this away and change it to something else. Likewise for this one. Before getting to this point about the 2C's decision, there's one thing, we see these higher highs and higher lows, right? Initially, it's fine. But this one, you see the trajectory starting to flat out. So to me, that's the part that I worry about. And also the volume started to climb steadily while the price started to decline. So these two combined looks like when you throw a ball, it throws straight and then it loses momentum and it started to fall. Okay, it is still range bound between the green key level of 13 cents 20 to the blue key level of 22 cents 30. But we definitely don't want to see it finish here, right? We want to see the actual automatic rally comes in. So as of this moment, this downtrend is already almost at the 2C's decision point. So what I mean is this triangle. You see those two yellow lines, right? Why 2C's? The first C is continuation of the trend, meaning this short-term downtrend. The significance is that it is going to break some support, right? If it goes further down, there's another situation here around the 18th or 19th. Okay, sometimes there would be fake out, so be careful when the first day it moved outside of one of those resistance or support, it may drop straight back. So here, you can drop into the comment and let me know whether you think this downtrend is going to continue, because we are literally about to witness that happening. Okay, if it is going to continue, it will first test this light blue key level. We hope at least it hold the channel bottom. All right, if it's really continue to fall with the same rate of descent by this date around the 20th of August, it's the latest occasion where the bulls and bears have to confirm whether it's a continuation of this downtrend or is it going to change the downtrend and once again comes back to test the center line of the rising channel, like what it did over here back in late July. Okay, it dropped through the center line like what we see now, sideways for 3 days. Okay, that's what it is doing now. Okay, that white pin over here, we've got two white crosses back down in mid-July, and eventually it dipped for 2 more days before it went back to test the center line. It got rejected back to the channel bottom. Once again, this time again, more momentum, more volume, but this is the one that's determining because it's got very high volume, but with a long wick about, meaning there was quite a lot of selling pressure. All right, so that's how I read the current short-term situation. And you can see this video earlier being a channel member, so join the other members now. See you in the next one. Thank you.